Hi guys, in this video we will see in details how to configure SAP Sales and Distribution Organization Structure in 7 steps. Unlock the power of SAP Sales and Distribution in record time. Master the configuration of an efficient SD organization structure with the help of this tutorial. Whether you are an SAP consultant, SD functional analyst, or business user, mastering this setup is essential for successful SD module implementation and seamless integration with SAP FI, material management, and logistics processes. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you save valuable time. From defining sales areas to assigning distribution channels, you'll learn how to create a seamless structure that drives sales success. Ready to transform your SAP setup into a finely tuned machine? Let's dive in. To make the configuration easy, go to our website www.saplogisticsexpert.com, download the Excel to copy-paste the values. Keep the downloaded Excel file open to copy-paste the values. Step 1. Define sales organization. The sales organization represents the top-level unit for sales and is critical for managing sales processes, reporting, pricing strategies, and customer relationships. The sales organization is also used to take, for example, a regional, national, or international subdivision of the market into account. Sales organization is responsible for a distributing goods and services, a negotiating sales conditions. We will create 2 sales organization for our both group companies. A PA10 sales organization is for IC car company. A PP10 sales organization is for electric car company. Create both the sales organizations with the help of downloaded Excel. Sales organizations PA10 and PP10 are created successfully. Step 2. Assign sales organization to company code. After defining sales organization in SAP, the next strategic move is to assign it to the appropriate company code. This assignment establishes a link between the SD and FI systems. A sales organization belongs to just one company code. With the help of downloaded Excel, assign sales organization PA10 to the company code PA10. Similarly, assign sales organization PP10 to the company code PP10. To check the company code configuration from the playlist, you can play the video Master SAP Finance Org Structure in just 5 minutes. quick and easy SAP S/4HANA guide. Also check the post Configure SAP Finance Organization Structure in 5 minutes. Link is given in the description. Step 3. Define distribution channel. The distribution channel determines how products and services reach to customers. For example, through direct sales, wholesale, retail, or e-commerce. It plays a critical role in pricing, delivery, and revenue tracking. Create all the distribution channels as given with the help of downloaded Excel. Step 4. Create divisions. Creating divisions in SAP is a strategic move that allows organizations to segment their product lines, services, or business units within the sales and distribution module. Each division represents a specific product range or market focus, enabling tailored pricing, reporting, and marketing strategies. We can group materials and services using divisions. We can therefore restrict price agreements with a customer to a particular division. Create all the divisions with the help of downloaded Excel. Step 5. Set up sales area. Setting up a sales area in SAP is a mission-critical step in configuring sales and distribution SD organizational structure, serving as the backbone for all sales transactions and customer engagements. A sales area consists of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. A sales area influences everything from pricing and customer master data to order processing and financial reporting. To set up a sales area, there are some prerequisite completion of organization structures. Assign distribution channel to sales organization and assign division to sales organization. Assign distribution channel to sales organization. A distribution channel can be valid for several sales organizations. Assign all our distribution channels to both the sales organization with the help of downloaded Excel. Assign division to Sales Organization. Assign relevant divisions to both the sales organizations with the help of downloaded Excel. Since we have assigned distribution channels and divisions to the sales organizations, now in this configuration, link all the three elements meaning sales organizations, distribution channels, and divisions to create all the sales areas. Step 6. Create Credit Control Area. Credit Control Area governs credit management policies across company codes, ensuring financial risk is minimized while maintaining seamless order processing. We have configured Credit Control Area PPIN for our car business. Assign company codes to a credit control area. This assignment ensures that our company maintains centralized credit management, allowing for better risk mitigation and streamlined control over customer credit limits. Assign Single Credit Control Area PPIN for both the company's PA10 and PP10. 7. Assignment of sales organization and distribution channel to plant. The assignment of a sales organization and distribution channel to a plant in SAP is a crucial step. This configuration ensures that the system can correctly source products, perform availability checks, and execute deliveries through the right plant during sales transactions. With the help of downloaded Excel assigned sales organization PA10 and PA20 along with distribution channels to the plant PA10 and PA20. Similarly assigned sales organization PP10 along with distribution channels to the plant PP10. This completes the Sales and Distribution Organization Structure configuration. In the next video, we will configure SAP Logistics Execution Organization Structure. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.